runway 07 right.
Takeoff 07 right, United 862.
Hong Kong Shuttle 898, line up and range, runway 07 right.
Up and range, runway 07 right, Hong Kong Shuttle 898.
X-ray vacate Alpha 7, Victor, Uniform 2.
Alpha 7 Victor, Uniform 2, you'll be 63.
Easter jet 9031, wind 330 degrees, 5 knots, runway 07 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on 07 Lima, Station 921. Hotel 8027, Cafe 469.
Cafe 710, cleared via Hotel 8 to parking stand 025.
Hotel 8025, Cafe 710. Alpha Tango Golf 2283 is ready for taxi.
Alpha Tango Golf 2283, taxi. Left turn onto Kilo and category 2 holding point for runway 07 right.
Copy, taxi to Kilo, Cat 2 holding point 07 right, Alpha Tango Golf 2283.
Just stand by for departure, aircraft crossing fire lane.
Standing by for departure from Shuttle 898.